Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to talk a little bit about onboarding. So what exactly is onboarding? This is the process where you take a customer or client and you basically get them familiar with your company and what you do. This could also be an employee as well. So for example, when you've got someone coming into your company, let's say you've got a new shop staff assistant coming in, you're training them and you're teaching them a little bit about things. You learn a bit about the company, a little bit about what they do. You basically take on board a lot more information. And when you're getting someone really familiar with your product and brand, it makes it so much easier for, let's say, customers to buy from you, clients to trust you and understand what you're doing. A new employee, it gives them a much better sort of start. Otherwise they're going to be really confused and find it very hard to deal with things. And in the marketing industry, we do onboarding of customers as well. Now I like to do a little bit of preliminary sort of research, I think that's the right word, where I look at the company in advance. I find out where their strengths and weaknesses are, whether or not they're strong on social media. I look at their website, see if they've got any problems, and then basically what I do is I say, for example, I've noticed your website's loading slow. Do you want me to fix that? I'm happy to do it. It'll only take a few minutes because I work and do web design, and a lot of the time I'll do something like that for free because it breeds reciprocity and people are more likely to trust me. In fact, most of my clients that I get nowadays are all words of mouth, which I don't even need to advertise anymore, which is great. But the thing is, it's like this process of familiarization, it's really, really good in all aspects because it's basically it's integrating your company with somebody's life in a positive way because they start to understand you, what you do, and you can quickly find out a lot more about your customer, and you can learn a little bit more about how you can best push your product out as well. So it's a really valuable process. Anyway, I'm wittering now. You have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.